Dear students, here we are discussing the second part of the second unit of basic science in the 5th standard. Let us see this video. Substances dissolve in water? No. The experiment. Take some salt, sand, sugar, kerosene, coriander powder, potassium permanganate, sugar candy, chili powder, coconut oil, blue vitriol, stone and glycerin in separate glass tumblers. Add water and stir each of them. Tabulate your observation. Some of them are water soluble and some of them are water insoluble. What is soluble substances? Substances which dissolves in water are called soluble substances. Please please see the examples of soluble substances. Then insoluble substances. What is insoluble substances? Substances which do not dissolve in water are called insoluble substances. Please see the examples of insoluble substances. വെള്ളത്തിൽ ലയിക്കുന്ന വസ്തുക്കളാണ് സോളുബിൾ സബ്സ്റ്റാൻസസ്. വെള്ളത്തിൽ ലയിക്കാത്ത വസ്തുക്കളുണ്ട്, അതാണ് ഇൻസോളുബിൾ സബ്സ്റ്റാൻസസ്. വാട്ട് ഈസ് സൊല്യൂട്ട്? Solute means a substance which dissolves in water is called solute. Example: sugar is solute in sugar solution. എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ എന്താ? പഞ്ചസാര ലായനിയിലെ പഞ്ചസാരയാണ് സൊല്യൂട്ട്. What is solvent? Solvent is a substance in which the solute dissolves is called solvent. In sugar solution, water is the solvent. ഷുഗർ സൊല്യൂഷനിലെ ഷുഗർ സൊല്യൂട്ടും വാട്ടർ സോൾവെൻറ്റുമാണ്. Then what is solution? Solution is that which is formed when solute dissolves in a solvent. Example: sugar solution. Don't you see gas bubbles rising up while opening a soda bottle? What is that? It is the carbon dioxide dissolved in water that comes up in the form of bubbles. സോഡ ബോട്ടിൽ ഓപ്പൺ ചെയ്യുമ്പം മുകളിലേക്ക് ഉയർന്നു വരുന്നത് അതിൽ ലയിച്ച് ചേർന്ന കാർബൺ ഡയോക്സൈഡ് വാതകമാണ്. Gases also dissolve in water to give solutions. What is the solute in soda water? Yes, carbon dioxide is the solute in soda water. The oxygen dissolved in water is what fish and various other creatures living in water breathe. Here oxygen is the solute. The table writing separately the solute and solvent in each solution. First of all, solution, then solute, then solvent. Sugar solution. What is solute? What is solvent? Sugar is solute and water is solvent. Then salt solution. Salt is solute, so water is solvent. Soda water, carbon dioxide is solute, water is solvent. Potassium permanganate solution. Potassium permanganate is solute, water is solvent. Copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate is solute, then water is solvent. Is it in water that more substances dissolve? Complete the table after doing the experiment. Which is the liquid in which most substances dissolve? The most substances dissolve in water. Do all water soluble substances dissolve in other liquids? No, ഇല്ല അല്ലേ. വാട്ടർ സോലബിൾ സബ്സ്റ്റാൻസസ് മറ്റ് ലിക്വിഡ്സിൽ ഡിസോൾവ് ആവില്ല. What is universal solvent? Here, water is a solvent which dissolves a large number of substances. Hence, water is called the universal solvent. What are the benefits of water being a universal solvent? Water can be used to prepare a large number of solutions. Thank you.